Hi everybody, how are you today? I've got a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and what I'd like to do is a dirty pour across it. Picked out some colors here. I have an ultramarine, I have a turquoise, I have an Anita's fluorescent pink, and I have another lighter pink, which is a purple red. I'm going to layer it in my cup. I'm going to start with some ultramarine. Put a generous amount of that in. I also have my cloud paint here. This is the mixture of the Deco Art satin enamel with the regular white paint. And I'm just going to put a little bit in between, not a lot. Go in with my neon pink, tiny bit of the satin enamel, turquoise, again a tiny bit of satin enamel. Go in with my purple red, and what the plan is, I'm just going to do a little bit of a traveling pour in this direction here. Sorry, I'm being quiet. I'm just looking at the way the paint is coming out. Some of that blue over here on this side. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. I'm going to give it a quick torch before I start moving it. Just get the air bubbles out. Just going to move it slowly. See, I have a little more paint on that side, so it's moving a little more quickly. Bring it down this way. Bring it right down. Pull it right back. Kind of looks like a backbone in the middle. Redistribute that weight of the paint. See what we can do over here. love the way the turquoise is over here on the right side. It's pretty. Okay. Try and bring it down to this edge. Get this corner. We can do it. Come on. Back on there. Give this a little help here to move along. Get all the way down here. Okay. Wow. Okay, I'm going to set it down. Give it a look. See if there's any part of it I want to get rid of. I really like the brightness up here. Kind of looks like a tornado. Love it. Love that color combination. See how much paint we have here. See how much wants to move. Don't see too much of the clouds coming up. We'll see. I'm going to give it one more torch, and then I'll give you a close-up of it. Quite a bit of air bubbles in there. So let me give you a look. Really like that spot right there where the bright blue is. The way the pink comes down into a kind of a tornado. A fluorescent tornado. Okay guys, well thanks for visiting. I'll let this set for a little bit. See if any of the clouds come up from that cloud paint. And I'll come back in a little bit. Okay guys, it's been about a half an hour now. No big changes here. It's kind of stayed the way it was, which I really like. Get you a nice close-up look. Sorry, making the camera wobble. There we have it guys. Thanks for visiting with me tonight. Appreciate it. If you like my video, please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate that. Thanks again. Bye.